Hi, it's Bobby again with WelfareMounts.com. Got a real cool one today. JB welded that bitch to a clamp. Oh yeah, versatile. Take my ram mount. And that's just the back of any Craftsman screwdriver. I'm really shitty at any photography. Tighten that bitch down. You got a clamp ram mount. I wouldn't trust that shit on the road, but I'll trust that shit in the kitchen. So you can order these at your hardware store and make it, because that's how you do that for fucking dirt cheap.